everyone, it's Louise with louisemckayart, and welcome to my channel. You're catching me right in the middle of a creation of coasters with this cool, beautiful green color palette, and I'm planning on making coasters with the extra paint I've got and a Lazy Susan. So what I've got going on here is I've got my multi-pro. I've taken it out of timeout. I'm going to get started. Once again, thank you for being here, and if you're new and you like what you see, please subscribe by hitting the bell and all, and you'll get all my latest tutorials, and you can check out my playlists and see what I've created already up to this point. I like to play with functional art a lot, to include coasters, which are functional because you use them for your drinks. Okay, so that's my multi-pro. Here are my colors. This is the consistency. Let's get to it. This is Artez's Pearl Lime Green with some TLP Sea Glass and some Artez's Pearl Cactus Green. This is Golden's Pale Titan Green, or Titan Pale Green. A color that, just looking at it on its own, you think, eeh. I mean, look at that. It's kind of not much there, but I'll tell you what, that is a great accompanist color. Here's my Golden's Iridescent Bronze. Whoops, it's gotten a little thick on me. And when you pair that bronze with this TLP Zeus and quinacridone Nicolazo Gold, it is fantastic. These colors play so nicely, just like my gold combination in bronze, or gold combination in this Nicolazo. Yeah, bronze does too. I love bronze. I don't know why I don't use it more often. Here's my Artez's Oxide Green, Cadmium Oxide Green, with a little bit of Golden's Carbon Black, just to darken it up. My other coasters were a little light, so I'm going to go a little more in the center with that green. My Floetrol Cell Activator Recipe American, video 141. If you want to see how I make it and what's in it, it's an 8-minute video. It's quick and dirty and straight to the point, just like most of my videos are. Oxide Black. Let's give it a blow. So I often talk through the blowout, and I'm going to talk a little bit here where I blow straight down into the cell activator to start to get it to form a circle, and then I blow that ridge out over the colors and then the colors over the paints. There are many factors that go into my brain as I'm blowing these creations out that I have to consider and adjust as I go. Itchy nose. Stretch out the pillow to the edge. Let the pillow go over the edge, so when I get ready to spin, it knows what it's supposed to do. If you're new, you especially want your, you want to have a place for your paints to know where they have to go. It's like a river. The river follows the path where the river went before. So if there's already a pathway for it to flow on, then it's going to flow and not stop dead short like, okay, where am I supposed to go now? All right, let's get the middle coming back a little bit. So this is especially for the newbies. I'm blowing into the pillow with a straw to try to spread out the pillow a little bit, thin it down, so that the colors underneath can push through and create those cells. All right, let's rock and roll. Quick and dirty. I'll tell you what, you can get on a roll on these coasters and just mass produce. People love coasters. They're an inexpensive option for fluid art. once you get the foundation of making something this small, you can take this technique and do so much with it. It is a versatile, oh, this is the best one. Oh, this is beautiful. The bloom technique is so versatile, and you can use it in so many different ways. I make clocks with it. I make trays, Lazy Susans, fusion pieces. Charcuterie boards. Cheese boards. You can use it with an iridescent pillow, a transparent pillow. So many things you can do with this technique. So versatile. I make walking sticks with it. I've started making walking sticks. Yeah. You don't see me making a whole lot of wall art. Don't get me wrong, you can take the basics of this technique and apply it to larger canvases like deconstructed bloom and so forth. I'm going to leave that little bit. I'm going to leave those two guys. I kind of like just, okay, one more little spin. One more little spin. I love the way the middle looks. I got a little bit of peacocking cells going on in there. Yeah, this one's the winter chicken dinner. Give it a little clean. Tap the corner, just so my corner is fully covered. You want to make sure that all your sides are fully covered. And your corners, like this corner right there is not fully covered. So I'm just going to grab some paint, push it up, pull it down. Kiss it. Fake a little color on it, because I don't want to spin it anymore. Same over here. Little corner, push it up, kiss it. If you come to my class in Washington, D.C., I'll show you all these tips and tricks and more, because there's so many little subtleties to this technique. All right, here we go. So everyone, that's a wrap. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial and all the little tips I included within. And if you're new here and haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe, hit the bell and all. You'll get all my latest art tutorials. At the end of this video, I will have a link to my coasters playlist so you can see other color combinations and other results. And here are the final resin results, and I'm going to give you up close and personal here. These are magnificent. I am in love with this color combination. And as I mentioned in the video, once you understand and get the basic bloom technique, you can apply it in so many different ways. It is so versatile, so user-friendly, and so functional art-friendly. And again, if you're available and interested in coming to the Fluid Art Boutique in August, please join me and the other artists and sign up for some classes. We're going to have a great time. So that's all for now. I'm going to sign off and show you some samples of other coaster creations. Thanks a lot, everybody. Take care. Till next time.